All right, today I have a Lincoln Navigator and I'm going to show you how to open the gas cap and the fuel door on this particular Lincoln Navigator. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle, the Lincoln Navigator, behind the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the vehicle off. I'm going to go ahead and press that, turn the vehicle off. All right, it is currently in park. I had it in park before I turn it off. And I am going to exit the vehicle. And so I'm going to exit the vehicle because you need this to add fuel to your vehicle. I'm going to walk around to the back of the vehicle. And if you see this right here, you'll see that there is a panel right here. This panel is where the gas cap or the fuel is added in the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, push on it. You see how it popped out a little bit? Open it right there, and you can see this particular vehicle has easy fuel right here. So with easy fuel, you just, after you've have the gas pump, you go ahead and you just press it in here. There's no cap needed to remove on this. You just take it and press it, the fuel nozzle for the gas pump inside of there, and go ahead and fuel as necessary. And when you're done, you just simply come back up here, and then you shut this, make sure it's closed flush like that, and that is how you add fuel to your Lincoln Navigator, this particular version. It's 2025. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.